Okay, my people, how na day? Welcome back to Samizi Infotainment. Now, know I see the P now. For this channel, we dey share ogbonge news back to back, the way you need them, the way you suppose know, entertainment and informations, everything, entertainment news, information, politics, everything all together. Boboti. Una know me now, na me, una humble boy. Some call me Samizi, some call me Sami Eto, some call me Sammy, some call me Tokam as you see him, because the way I taste something, that's why they talk him. So far, kill me. Like this, so if today is your first day for this channel or your first time to see my video, I beg, just do me one favor, don't let them pass one. If you pass one, another day, not do for me again. Just press that subscription button where they that on there, red color, see, press on. Then turn the notification button so that anytime I put video, now you and I go first see them. Okay, thank you to those who don't subscribe. Thank you to those who they share my video. Thank you to those who they like, who they drop comment. I say God bless you. Today, we get many things to talk about. Many things to talk about. Stay tuned. Watch the video and drop your comment. And on any video where I talk, drop comments for the video. Anything you still know, let's learn together. Okay, now my people, let's go to the reason why we are here today. Why we are here aujourd'hui. Why we are here now. EFCC don't arrest 2 Chinese men who try to bribe them. Oh my God. Nigeria, my country. Even Chinese can't even understand some kind of system. Thank God. See that EFCC man. They get brain. They wise. Shout out to every EFCC in Nigeria for this thing we now do so. God bless you now. You see the way the thing be? These men, so they get construction company for Nigeria. They give them contracts. You know how much for that contract? You know how much it was? Oh my God. You know how much Chinese people want to bribe this EFCC man? May scrutinize. Oh God. Now use English. May criminalize. May demoralize this investigation against their company. Because they know say themselves, they're dirty lies. They are so dirty. They are so dirty to the extent say, okay, Chinese men, these Chinese 2 men for Sokoto, they offer 100 million naira to these EFCC investigators. Maybe they for now open their nyash. Maybe they for now open. Chinese will consider level for Nigeria. Who give you that level? Who give you now see these Chinese people? Oh my God. Ah, la, la. These Chinese people, we know what be their name. I know my man can't they talk with it, I don't know. And if I don't pronounce the name well, you help me pronounce it well for comment section. Make sure you use all duty comments for comment section. Mengwekun. I person go answer that name Mengwekun. I know go do Mengwekun. I person go there answer one name Mengwekun. You the answer Mengwekun. You are and you know still trust and give a contract. I manage. Okay, person your community say you need a Mengwekun. Give me contract. You just see green for that kind of name. Why you know do you kunu? And the other person name na Zunkwa. Now they ask why they will investigate you, why they catch you. They ask yourself why. Because your name is Zunkwa. That be your name. They offer this EFCC man 100 million. May for not investigate their matter, may for that the matter based on they know say even they say the dirty for the matter and they guilty. And thank you to EFCC where they take do the proper investigation. They comply with them, say okay, no lele, we will collect the money. On reaching there, arrest, then they can arrest them. And they don't charge the matter to court. And now the court now go carry on for there. Why for what will be their crime? Majorly, offense of conspiracy, abuse of office. Nobody they start that one anyway. Misappropriation. They not use the money the way that they give them. And they shock money. Even say diversion of public funds. They get brain. They divert public funds into their pockets one by one. And money laundry. They still do. Oh God, EFCC. Nice one, boys. Nice one. That's why I say one at the one like that. Investigation. No be only all these YB boys. YB. They don't know what they face. When I see they face, as soon as you face this Chinese like this, Muna still face them where they up or the guy or the pata at the top. You know what I mean? All those boss. If you know all those boss where they talk about, drop their name for comment section. So that next time I will get the match to take all their name. And then if those are guys the top like that. This case so involve 50 billion naira with Zamfara they award contract for them. They stupidize the money. Work will not see. Anything will not see. You see waiting and they talk about. If I talk now, some people will they call me say, oh Samizi, you just start you want to put your mouth for waiting on concern you. Now me they call me talker as you see him. Because that's the way I see him, that's why I go talk. Anybody will like, may come for me. Me I still ready for you. I'll tell you say, I be talker as you see him. Okay, my people. Anything we gonna get to talk about this matter, so try and make you leave them for comment section. Make we talk about them wella. If you know so you still get information for me to add, join. I think make another episode of this same news so that we will add them, join. We'll talk them the way we see them. And the wrong side and the bad side. Okay, we'll talk like that. If to say they don't trust them at first, trust this side this word. Trust. It get big significance for that. They trust them and then they hand over that kind of money, give it, make they take work for the countryside. But still, they do us mago based on they know say we were said, we they do ourselves mago. People, and so we go talk and ratio. That's why I talk and ratio based on talk as you see. And I go beat me put for his side. Okay, my people, we'll go straight to the other news. Lyon City, our mayor, our metropolis mayor, what they call Gerard, he don't bust out yesterday. He don't bust out for news. He don't give us insight. He don't give us insight. Sable. They get 200 million euros where they want to do some kind of budget for this city of Lyon. Lyon City. And this city be this, if you don't know, and inside France, now the second largest economy for France, as they say. They don't bust out. They say Ingo support people with 500 euros. Then we want to buy electric bicycle, based on this corona lockdown, so that people not too they crowded for inside bus, people not too they crowded for inside metro, people not too they crowded for inside tram, so that you feel they use your electric bicycle, then they go anywhere you want to go. But this electric bicycle now 50% now you put for you. Bicycle we want buy if you did 1,000 euro, electric bicycle correct or go one, then go pay 500 euro. Now 500 euro you can pay. If now new one, so far now registered place with there for the same bicycle, you know be the one they buy for Facebook market. That one not join. Or the way Arabudo go, but they can't give you can't expect to go put money, join. You go get there for the same electric bicycle or better bicycle where you be say you pay them out small, it will carry you go far. You will put your lesson, you will carry you go far, you not to stress yourself. And that kind of bicycle now they talk about. So indoor say it go help with 50% of the price. So if the price now 700 euro, it go pay 350 euro, you go pay 350 euro. So that you will give metro chance, you will give tram chance, you will give bus chance. Now this one might be the major reason why it's good to get good government. You see, this one now Breno, because if you get that bicycle, now spot for you in a way, and you will give metro and bus chance. You see to protect yourself, protect people as well. Then metro not too dey crowded because everybody there on a bicycle on a normal level, you understand? And as today, so even this summer self, if you wear your short knicker, just there on top of a bicycle, you'll be like saying inside jeans now you get wide. And everywhere go balance like this for the countryside, everywhere go balance for the state, for the vehicle with the Lyon. The benefit for you to benefit from this thing, they go put one file for one site. I will put the site, the website. I will put them for description of this video. So they go put one file for there. You enter the site, then you go click the file, then fill your form. You make sure say you fill this form, your details, you fill and put for the form. Make sure say you don't send them before June 31st. They'll put the thing for the site June 9. And they read down for you now, maybe for ready. June 9, June next month on the 9th. So they go put on for this site. This site with a normal site for Leon, grandleon.com/VAE. They will put on for there. I'll still write on for comment section. So you download the form, now just form, you write your details put, then you make sure say you send them, give address where they will still put for inside the site. They will put address. You will send them for letterbox, you will send them via email, you will send them through fax to them as well. So that they will register your details, so that in case you want to go buy the bicycle, you with your fatu, everything go halal with your receipt, everything will work. So if you know say you did interested, or you feel help me share this message, if you're not interested, somebody way near you go be interested to get this kind of opportunity to get 50% off discount for electric bicycle. Not the ordinary bicycle where you paddle, you sweat. Electric bicycle, if you pull your legs more, now you carry reach paddle. If you pull your legs more, you dey velour. You know, go even sweat. You go dey flexible, very easy for you to use. So we'll go the reason. Another reason why this man do this thing now, to help the citizens as well. Either you be migrant or you be citizen, or anybody when you be, all this one concern you. So kudos to Leon Metropolis. We'll go straight to the other news. For Sweden, don't be smart, not the apple for them. We never bust out because of this coronavirus. These microchips we they talk about, micro technologies chips where they shoot for their body. Some people say, and that one, and they can't take on, and that one be mark of 666. Some people say, na new invention. Some people say, na futuristic idea. So that you know they suffer yourself. What will be the difference between I put my hand for my door, I open it, then I put my hand, I carry my key, put for door, open door. What will be the difference? Who know one man they change something? Who know the disadvantage future where that thing will cause? Sweden people, whenever they do their VAT, whenever they appeal for the one wanna do, wanna take care of, because this world will not want change. So this world will not they change. Now they call out the name of technology. Technology go tech una one day. No see anybody will go lodge you now. If technology tech una, no see anybody will go lodge you now. Very, very, very. Which kind of something be the other song? Now, never watch the video. If you never watch them or you don't feel watch them again. Oh yeah.
Det är det att jag har mitt visitkort i form av en så kallad webblaunch till min LinkedIn-profil. Så det tycker jag är ganska trevligt och smidigt att kunna räcka fram handen till någon som vill ha mina kontaktuppgifter efter ett möte till exempel. Personligen ser jag inga nackdelar. Jag vet att det finns folk som har farhågor att man skulle bli spårad, men det är en passiv teknologi. Så det finns ingenting som man inte har kontroll över själv. Man behöver komma väldigt nära för att läsa av informationen på chippet. En del tycker eller tror kanske att det gör ont att få ett chip implanterat, men det går att jämföra med ett getingstick skulle jag säga. Så att det är inte speciellt. Är ju, den stora grejen är ju när det blir möjligt att göra betalningar. Det är det jag framförallt väntar på som en enskild funktion. Men naturligtvis ser jag framför mig ett helt ekosystem där man kan använda chippet för all typ av access och även bära med sig sin egen identitet på ett smidigt sätt.
You say, okay, you put your phone for there, you type your password. What will be the difference? They do any. Because say waiting, they won't say this kind of technology now. They'll soon carry and enter every part of Europe, Italy, anywhere you did. But now people, Una know the one wey dey take come o. Our brain no be their brain, our body no be their body o. They carry this thing reach for where they for you do advert, and they carry the advert reach for where they. Let them give chance o. Let them give you chance. Let them give you chance. Say you no need them. If you dream, see am, my brother 1 week not sleep again. That's only go do am. If I dream, see am, say they want try put that thing for my body. The next 1 week now marathon, I no dey sleep. My eye it go open because I don't want make them come do am spiritually before I come go do reach for where they don't put am for my body for physical. Na problem. I don't come that. Even if na good thing, difference not dey. Say you put your hand for your door open for you. Then you put your key for your door open for you. Which difference dey? Una wan use una thing to deceive. All those una devil thing. Una wan use una to deceive. Now people una feel am deceive. Una no for put over that matter. Because now the way I see am, as I dey talk am, I mean they call me talk am the way you see am. It's amazing entertainment. No, kill us with wisdom. I beg. We'll go straight to the other news.